Hi guys, welcome back to my yard. I'm Jess, so let's chill. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial video for passion twists. I will leave the link of where I purchased the extensions in the description box. The passion twist extensions came in a pack of 6, each pack containing 22 strands of 18 inches. I divided my hair into 22 parts, which had been combed and oiled the previous day. Let's get right into it. I loosen the hair as I braid just because 4C hair tends to shrink with the blink of an eye. I take out knots in my hair with my detangling brush. I use VO5 styling gel, but any gel you have could suffice for this. Then I brush it together with a tiny toothbrush to give my roots a neater look. This clip is slower to explain how I do my passion twist. I begin with a 3-part section of my natural hair. Then I begin to braid with my natural hair first. Then I add the passion twist extension in the middle section of the middle braid of my natural hair. I hope that's pretty explanatory. I braid with the passion twist a little. Then I take the middle part of a braid of my natural hair. I divide it into 2 to the passion twist extension. I begin to twist the hair all the way to the end. As you can see, the lines are not the best. Parting your hair yourself is quite hard, but practice makes perfect. This is it. Hope it is. You sabi this chick. You can accessorize if you want to. So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.